Right viewers, here we are. Mike here's come up with a suggestion. We did have an idea to go New Brighton for midnight, a couple of hours before the low, to try and get ourselves some crab. We get there, nothing.
Nothing there.
Couple of big males, but there's nothing in the way of peelers, nothing at all, nothing worth digging around for. Yeah. So it was roughly, I'd say about 22, so we were there half an hour, 40 minutes. Instead of going back home and then getting picked back up at 7 AM to go to Mostyn, soft ticketeers decided to go to Mostyn.
Big horse! Woohoo!
Big horse, yeah, apparently so. The lads aren't aware of this, so there was no, you know, hiding or anything like that, gents. It was just this nutcase because he can't be bothered going back to bed. We're making a proper session of it. We've got Darren inside coming down with us today. Let's see if we can surprise them early morning with a nice picture or a video of a nice decent horse that we caught down
hopefully.
Yeah, hopefully, fingers crossed. Could he in blank? Who knows?
Yeah, we might go there in blank, but
I can blame him then.
Yeah, and then he can say, why don't we just go back to bed?
Yes, well, we can go back in the van and have a kip for an hour or so. Well, here we are, Menai Straits. We got the caretaker over there in the distance. And I'm set up over here. First line, we got half a mackerel tail, panel rig, little 5 ounce pyramid there. There's hardly any pull. It's like glass, so you shouldn't have any problem holding bottom. On the other one, just going to have a little scratch around it first, little tool boom, bit of fresh worm, tipped with a bit of squid. Mike got this earlier on today, again, a little 5 ounce pyramid. So, I'm going to get him in the water. Lovely evening, calm, no wind, no rain as yet. So, hopefully, next time you hear from me, it'll be when I've got a fish on the end of my line. Come on, you fishes.
Chris is into a fish. What is it, mate? A smoothie. Number 51, eh? Number 51, eh? I had that last time I was here. Number 51, lad.
Number 51.
There you go.
And the fresh stuff you put out this morning, mate.
Yeah, I had that last time I was here. Put a blow lug out and I had a little hound. There you go, eh, mate? Give him a little clean eye. Look at that, eh? Bet you didn't think you had number 51, did you?
No.
Little hound.
Little baby fella.
Yeah. For about 2 hours. We're about 20 minutes away from low tide. I've swapped to lug on a flapper and fish on a pulley panel just to see if I can catch anything really. There seems to be a few fish coming out on lug for Chris, so I've swapped to the lug. See if anything happens with that. We shall see.
Morning everybody, it's currently 6:30 in the morning. I'm on my way to Mostyn to meet the rest of the lads, meet the crew. everyone's targeting. I think they're just trying to catch whatever they can, but I'll bring you back when we get there, and we're doing that long old walk across the beach, across all that bloody rocks and that. See you later.
Welcome to wet, windy and muddy Mostyn. So, Chris, Mike and Darren. So, come to Mostyn. First time I've fished here on the end of this. I have fished up further up by the ship, but come on to the end here today, right by them vat things, whatever they are. I'm only here for the conger. 2 rods out, 2 running rigs, 8 out tamers, mackerel on one, herring on the other. Nice and simple. Mike's eating his breakfast.
Jam butties here, Simon.
Jam butties? Jam butties for breakfast. So what are you after? What are we fishing for, mate?
Like a sole, because I've never had a sole before. And a conger eel.
Darren's going for the flatties on the other side as well, isn't he?
Strap will do.
Oh.
To be fair, fish would be nice.
Yes! Yes, the weather's not the best, is it?
No.
Oh. But we'll see.
It's absolutely beautiful. It's going over there. Molly Dog.
I can't believe you went to bloody Molly Dog.
Yeah. Need to get away. So.
Fair play. Right, if we get anything, we shall let you know.
Right, both rods are out. On the right one there, I've just put a loop rig on, a bit of bluey on the bottom and a big bit of lug, and tipped with a bit of rag on the top hook. Rods today, tip tornado match for the lighter stuff. Got a sport there. Oh, I'm slipping on the rocks here. 2 mag 4s, a 515 and a 525. You can see it's a tad wet. You can barely see the whirl. But we're out here giving it a go.
Okay, so we're a quarter of an hour away from high tide. Chris has had a couple of whiting. Darren's had a whiting. And Simon are both on zilch. Hopefully it changes when the tide turns. It's a bit tight at the moment with the tide in light. Tide right the way in, but it'll open up again once the tide starts to flow back out. Yeah, not many fish coming out, so we'll see what the afternoon brings. The banter's flowing well, that's for sure. That's what it's all about really, isn't it? Chris has got one.
Well, crossing these treacherous rocks slowly. Nice, mate.
Yes, you know what, mate? On the herring.
Yeah, that's what mine was on and I fucking lost it.
Dirty, stinky hard herring.
Yes, mate. Let's see what you got. Jeez, size of that for a place.
Nice, isn't it? Look out, look. Yeah. Squid and crab wrap.
Look at the size of that, mate.
Be about £2, mustn't it?
Outside just last week number 2. Doesn't seem very impressed. Yeah, he's done. He's moving.
So yeah, for those of you that have been following the channel for a while, you may have noticed that Richie's not been in the videos recently. And that's simply because he left the crew. He left of his own volition. He wasn't asked to leave or anything. He just left. He just decided to leave. And from there, he's gone and done his own thing. He started his own channel. He's focused on the shack. And focused on himself a little bit, I think. Yeah, as a crew, we wish him all the best. Hope that his ventures come to fruition. All the best, Richie. Tight lines.
Go on, he's just got himself a conger. What did he come for? Yes, mate!
Yes!
Yes!
Oh, I've been trying to follow these for so long.
PB! Look! What have you caught, Si?
Where's mine?
There you go, mate! There he is, Mike. We was first strap conger. Nice size, mate, not too bad. You're happy with that?
I'm really happy with that, yeah.
There you go, there you
I've
go.
had one of these for about 3 years. 4 years actually. Yeah.
Beautiful, mate, beautiful.
Happy with that.
There was a smile for them. I take a little photo.
I've had zilch. Not even a bite.
Come on.
Every cast I've lost the rig.
Not as many as me, though.
No, it's true. He's losing.
I'm losing it, not my legs. Losing the bloody will to live. I hate this, Mark.
An idea to come. But yeah, so we've got a bit more land. We're alright for comfort wise now. The sea's on its way out. I've got sardine house on one, hoping for a strap, conger, anything. And the other one, I've got black looking squid on a 2-hook boom rig. Just trying to pick anything up now.
Well, we were all getting a bit deflated.
Yes!
On no size, get quite happy.
Yes, mate! Yes!
Oh, yes. There you go.
Yes, mate!
Look at him.
Hey, well done, Simon.
Yes, mate!
Happy as punch.
Yes, mate. Yes, mate.
There you go, mate. Go ahead, go and get it back in the
Yes,
water.
mate.
Target the
Well, we're done at Mostyn. That's the end of it. Chris ran out of rigs and leads. I had a conger and lost 2. Chris had a conger, a couple of whiting. Mike had a conger. So we all come in quarters to target species. It's just worked out that like we've lost about 18 rigs and leads between us. So enough's enough. Cutting it short, cutting it early, going home to regroup, And then
Get ready for your evening session.
I'm going to go and fish the high tide on the Mersey later on tonight, I think. So, goodbye from me. Goodbye from him.
Take care.
And goodbye from Mike. Stay safe, tie lines, and catch you on the beach. Ta-ra.